Hello, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to check students' grades using the student view. So I had my student teacher create a student account and I had her go in and complete some assignments so I could show you this. So just ask your son or daughter to bring up their geometry course. And then after they've done that, have them click on the left-hand side on grades. So once you've done that, you can see what assignments have been pushed out, what assignments they have completed, what assignments they have not completed. So just looking at this screen, I can tell that there is a final, but we have not done that. There's quite a few homework assignments. Quizzes are worth 22% of their grade, tests are worth 45%, and there's nothing in quizzes and tests because there's nothing listed under that. Actually, same thing with the final up here. If I'm looking at my homework though, I can see that there are all these assignments that have been assigned. So if I click on each one individually, so this one is showing me that there is no grade. So my son or daughter may come home and say, okay, but I started that, I did that assignment. Well, if I click on that assignment, it'll give me a little bit more information. It does show me that this student started the assignment at 7:31 in the morning. They have not completed it though. So they did start it, but they did not complete it at all. I can go back. So this assignment, the student got 4.55 out of 5. I can click on that assignment. I can see that they started at 7:38, they ended at 7:41, and they got a 10 out of 11. And they've only done one submission. So most of my assignments, you get 2 to 3 submissions on them so that you can retake them. This time started and time completed should be longer typically than 3 minutes. I had my student teacher just put in the answers real quick. So if I go back, this assignment, okay, so this assignment, the student did complete. They got a 0.53 out of 10, so a really low score. They only took a minute on it. So that tells me they probably opened it up, they answered 1 or 2 questions, and then just submitted it. So if you're seeing something like that with a very short time, that is what that should tell you. I also have this assignment. So 1.4 is completed and they got a 10 out of 10 on that assignment. So if I open it up, I see, okay, this one they actually did 2 submissions. On their first submission, they got a 4 out of 20. But on their second submission, they got a 20 out of 20. Again, my student teacher did these really quick. She had the answers, so she inputted the answers. But these assignments should be taking longer than that amount of time. But I wanted you to be able to see how to look at how long they're taking on an assignment, how many times they have done an assignment, and their scores on the assignment. The parent view does show you their grades and whatnot, but it doesn't show you all this extra information. So that's why I find it's really important just to say, hey, have you done these assignments? Can you show me your grades in Schoology? Quick info on how I set up my class. I will have a folder for each unit, and within that folder, I will have a notes folder, a homework folder, videos for help folder, videos for help. Notes, this folder will contain filled out notes, so if your son or daughter is ever gone. This folder has any homework assignments, and this folder has either videos of me completing the lesson, so if they're absent, they can go back and watch, or if they missed any part of class, they can go back and watch. I will also upload videos from other people teaching the lesson because maybe your son or daughter didn't really understand the way that I explained the lesson that day, but watching someone else explain the lesson, it may help them. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.